Assalamu alaikum. Let's make churros in your pan. Add 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon sugar, and then cut a cup butter. Bring it to a boil, and then go in with your 1 cup of flour and mix very well on a very low heat until you form a thick dough, just as shown in the video. Transfer it to a container and allow it to cool. After being cool, add your 2 eggs. For 1 cup of flour, you're going to use 2 big eggs, 2 large eggs. Mix the egg into the dough until you form a slightly watery dough as shown in the video. Make sure you beat everything very well. Mix it until everything is incorporated. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor and then mix again. Mix it very well. Mix it very well. Then transfer it into a piping bag. I don't have a piping bag, so I decided to use a ziploc with nozzle. I cut the end of the ziploc and then inserted my nozzle, so you can do as seen in the video. Or maybe if you prefer not to use nozzle, you can omit the nozzle part. I did both ways. The first one I did with nozzle. I pipe it through the nozzle, and you can see, and I removed the nozzle at some point, and then I was piping it through the ziploc. So the choice is yours. You can use scissors to be cutting the churros. Allow it to fry. Let it fry. Let it fry until it's golden brown. Not this golden brown, but you see in the next 2 minutes until it is very golden brown. And for the sprinkle, you need 3 tablespoons sugar, half tablespoon cinnamon. That is for your cinnamon sugar sprinkle. Then sprinkle it on your fried fried churros. Or you can decide to do the other way around. You put the churros inside the sugar cinnamon mixture, and then after bringing everything out, you serve it with a dipping sauce of your choice. I use melted chocolate. You can use caramel. You can use chocolate syrup. Thank you for watching. Bye.